JEE Advanced 2021, Paper 1, Question 8. Physics RC Circuits. Let us visualize the circuit from the previous question. We have the same RC circuit with switch S, a 1 ohm resistor, a 2 ohm resistor, 1 volt and 2 volt batteries, and a 1 microfarad capacitor at node A. Initially, switch S is at position P. Now, the switch S is moved from position P to position Q. At position Q, switch S connects directly to the ground rail, bypassing the 1 volt battery completely. The 1 volt battery is now disconnected from the circuit. Let us see the new current flow. The question asks, when switch S is moved to position Q and the circuit reaches a new steady state, find the magnitude of charge Q2 on the capacitor in microcoulombs. The key concept: when switch S is at position Q, the left terminal connects directly to ground, which is 0 volts. The 1 volt battery is completely disconnected from the loop. Now only the 2 volt battery drives current through the 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors in series. The charge on the capacitor is still Q equals C times voltage at node A. Step 1. Analyze the circuit with switch S at Q. The left terminal is now at 0 volts, directly grounded. The loop goes from the 2 volt battery, through the 2 ohm resistor, to node A, then through the 1 ohm resistor, to 0 volts. Comparing with the previous case, at P, the net EMF was to -1, which is 1 volt. At Q, the net EMF is to -0, which is 2 volts. Step 2. The net EMF is now 2 volts. The total resistance remains 3 ohms. So the current I equals to over 3 amperes. Notice the current has doubled compared to when switch S was at P, where it was 1/3 ampere. Step 3. Find the voltage at node A. From the ground side, we at A equals 0 plus current I times resistance R1. That is 0 plus 2/3 times 1, giving 2/3 volts. From the 2 volt battery side, we at A equals to -2/3 times 2, which is to -4/3, again giving 2/3 volts. Both methods agree. The voltage at node A dropped from 4/3 to 2/3 volts. Step 4. The charge on the capacitor. Charge Q2 equals capacitance C times voltage at node A. Substituting, Q2 equals 1 microfarad times 2/3 volts, giving us 2/3 microcoulombs, approximately 0.67 microcoulombs. The charge has halved compared to Q1. The answer is, the magnitude of charge Q2 equals 2/3 microcoulombs, approximately 0.67 microcoulombs. To compare both results, Q1 with switch at P was 1.33 microcoulombs, and Q2 with switch at Q is 0.67 microcoulombs. Switching from P to Q halved the charge on the capacitor. Exam tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1. Changing the switch position changes the effective EMF in the circuit loop. Tip 2. At steady state, always treat the capacitor as an open circuit and find voltage across it from the resistive network. Tip 3. Linked paragraph questions share the same circuit setup, so reuse your analysis from the previous question. And tip 4. For numerical answer type questions, express your answer as both a fraction and a decimal. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced 2021 solutions at MAGPIEHUB.